There is something about small cars, they're fun, noisy, the connection to the road. Jack told me he has bought and sold over 100 MGs over the years. 3 MGB, Mark I Roadster. 18 GB, RU, H39980. 39980 is the engine number.
If I do notice any activity at those stations.
And so I knew I was going to have to order some new parts. So whatever keeps it going down the road is fine by me. Surface is exposed out here. I didn't really like the look of it. Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Oil dripping woes disappeared. And that's what really led me to discovering how changing the oil cap was going to make a world of difference.